been absolutely fantastic to have this face-to-face opportunity to network with teachers in the same space, and certainly Future Anything are, look, they're the pioneers in this space around student education and entrepreneurial opportunities for our students. So certainly the one take-home message for me is encouraging students to think globally but act locally.
It's been a great day to connect with other teachers across lots of different school settings, find out their experience about Activate, what works. We just had a really great conversation about how we can improve our own showcases.
For me, I'd have to describe it with the word inspiring. Like, it's just been such an awesome day to be with kind of like-minded teachers who are attempting to drive education and question that kind of mentality of, oh, we've done it this way, we're going to keep on doing it this way. We're really questioning, how can education be done? How can we prepare our kids for a really diverse future, and future where it's very open-ended?
Big highlight would have to be Jan Owen, and just hearing her thoughts when we're looking at a global scale and what's next in education and world education.
This opportunity, I feel, is building our capability as educators, and certainly being able to share that information with teachers at our sites, and then of course in the classroom, really building that confidence in the students' abilities, and that naturally leads to them becoming more confident in their own abilities in the classroom as well.